What is a nucleotide? Is it A, a building block of RNA and DNA? Is it B, a brain cell? Or is it C, fluid in the nucleus? The answer is A. Nucleotides are essential building blocks that your cells need to repair, rebuild, and grow new cells, especially in your lungs. But here's the problem: modern life is really rough and tough on your cells. So when we're considering the stress on the lungs, think allergies, smoking, pollution, and inflammation. Your lung tissue takes a beating, and when your body can't produce enough nucleotides naturally, cellular repair slows down. That's where Nucleotides PMG from Standard Process comes in. It's a whole food supplement derived from bovine lung extract and is designed to support healthy lung tissue at the cellular level. With nucleotides, peptides, and essential minerals, it gives your cells what they need to repair and rebuild. Developed in 1947 by Dr. Royal Lee, the protomorphogen theory suggests that same tissue extracts can help to repair that same tissue in your body. In that case, lung extract equals lung support. Nucleotides help rebuild DNA and RNA, peptides boost immune and cell signaling, and minerals help nourish the whole system. So what are the benefits? Support healthy breathing, promotes immune function, offers antioxidant support, and helps your body recover from inflammation and damage. This isn't just about feeling better, but helping your lungs work better from the inside out. Each serving contains magnesium citrate, sodium, calcium, and bovine lung extract. There are no synthetic additives, just straight support for healthy lungs. If you would like to learn more about protomorphogens or get started on your own ball of Nucleotides PMG, just tap the link below. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how you can transform your health naturally.